Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to view two Word documents side by side on Windows. So as you can see here guys, I'm on my Windows PC here and go ahead and find two Word document that I can open up. So let's open up this doc6 here and the second document here. And if you look, I have two Word documents open right now. So in order to view these two Word documents side by side, what you want to do, go ahead and maximize one of them. Then hover over the minimize or maximize button and you'll see a bunch of, let's say, options up here. Now you want to go ahead and click on these two where you have the two window, or you can use this one because they're basically the same. They're just basically showing you that you have two documents open. Now you can click on one of them and you will see that it opens up the second document for you, and that's it. Now you have two Word document open up side by side and you'll be able to view those documents and work on them as you wish, and it's as easy as that, guys.